This here is the Wurkkos FC12C, and I tell you, for a tactical flashlight, this is pretty darn bright. Let's open it up and take a look what it comes with, and then we'll do some beam shots. I think you'll like it just as much as I do.
Let's take a look what comes inside the box. Now, I've been using this probably, about a month or so. So obviously, comes with the light itself. Includes a USB-C to USB-A charging cable. There is a lanyard with a couple of extra O-rings. Instructions and instructions. Well-worn instructions. So you'll see here we have a tail button. We have an action button. It includes a two-way belt / hat clip. And the battery itself is right in here. This is a Wurkkos 18650 3000 milliamps. There's no magnet on this light. The USB-C charging port is right here. It does have a thick rubber grommet covering it. So it should be water resistant. Maybe not waterproof, but make sure that you keep that pressed in nice and tight. Then you have your action button here on the side. So you turn it on here, and your action button then controls the luminosity. So it looks like right now it's on ramping mode. There's your turbo. And I believe strobe is 3 times. You've been warned. 1, 2. Now we're in SOS mode. 1, 2. And now we're in beacon mode. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we should be in tactical mode where you press the button. It's going to go between medium and bright. Strobe, that's 2. 2 more is SOS. 2 more is beacon. So once you get the hang of it, it's not limited. You just have to know what you're doing with it. And overall, really nice light. It certainly does penetrate through the dark. And it has everything you need. And the buck driver makes sure that it gets maximum power until that battery is completely drained. And being the fact that it's an 18650, if you're like me, you probably have a dozen of these. So just keep them loaded with you and you can take it anywhere. Though the battery life on it is really quite impressive. Let me show you what else we can do.
This does have an IP68 water resistance, so make sure that this is closed. It makes it water resistant, not waterproof, but it should do okay with this. We're up in Wawa right now, and I have with me the Wurkkos FC12C. It's a kind of a complicated light. It has a tail button here, and then it also has a side action button. So let's go through it really quick, just to give you an idea. It is pushing out 1600 lumens, and it can go over the range of 332 meters, I believe. And the side button, it looks like it needs to be charged. That's why it's red. If I press and hold this, right now, it is in tactical mode. If I press it 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, there's the light itself. Press and hold. I believe it's in ramping mode right now. Yes, so turn it up. That's its brightest. Press and hold it down. That's its dimmest. Double click. That's its turbo. And here's the thing, this has what's called a buck driver. So that means it is going to squeeze out all the power it can until that battery is utterly depleted. And you got to admit, that is one bright light right there. Yeah, I really like this light. Once again, this is the Wurkkos FC12C. See, it's flashing? Okay, so now either I killed the battery, Okay, let's try this another time.
Oh, this thing is a kicker. Press and hold. Right now we are in, I believe, tactical mode. Nope, regular mode. So if you press and hold, it will adjust and ramp up till it reaches its max. Press and hold, it will ramp down. If I press it 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4. So now it should be in tactical mode, and when you press and release the button, it should adjust between bright and medium. So there's bright and medium. Double click, we have strobe, double click again. Now we're in SOS, double click again. And now it should be in beacon mode. Really like beacon mode. Double click. We're back in strobe, press once, and now we're in regular mode. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're back in daily usage. Press and hold. If I double click here, now we're in turbo. Double click again. Now it's in eco mode. The UI is a little complex, but once you get the hang of it, it's really, if you only have one flashlight, this won't be a problem for you. If you have multiple flashlights, then you're going to start getting confused like myself. I think I just saw a raccoon or something run right behind me. Wouldn't surprise me. Could have been a rat, could have been a raccoon, could have been an otter. Who knows? And the main button here is on the bottom. Now if I half click it, does it do anything? Nope. It's got a good range though. Now, I would like to thank Wurkkos for sending this to me in exchange for a fair and honest review. They make some quality products, I will say that much. Man, this just lights up this area. Okay, let's take it back inside and shut this down.
Wurkkos did send this to me in exchange for a fair and honest review. I'll leave the links to it below. Now what separates this from a lot of other lights out there is the buck driver. If you're looking for a long-lasting light with a good reputation, you can't go wrong with a Wurkkos product. I've tested a dozen of them and I've had no issues. I even have a few new models sitting in my bag of tricks waiting for a review. Now the details include an SST40 LED pushing out between 6,000 and 6,500 K. The 3,000 milliamp battery will last you up to 1.8 hours on turbo or 400 hours on moon mode. The battery is replaceable and charges fast, so you don't have to worry about it dying on you. Overall, it's a good everyday carry light. Get it for yourself, get it as a gift. It will last you for years and maybe even decades. It's great for those in the security business or those of you who hunt, camp, or fish, etc. Okay, that's it. If you like these kind of videos, hit that like button, leave a comment. If this is your first time here, I have a lot of flashlight reviews in this little box. Watch one, watch them all, and subscribe so that I can make even more of these videos. Thanks for watching.